Hello students, in previous video we have discussed different methods of cooking food, that is boiling, steaming, baking, frying, direct heating. And we have discussed that food can be cooked by boiling it in water for some times. So there are some food like pulses, rice that can be cooked by boiling them in water. And then we have discussed the steaming method, in which cooking is done by steam obtained by boiling water. That we use the steam of boiling water to cook the food. And for this, this method is very good for our health, or you can say healthy method of cooking, because it helps in conserving nutritic value of food. And food like idli, dhokla and momos are prepared by this method. Next is your baking that we have discussed. So baking is the indirect heating with or without using oil, and oven is used for baking. And cakes, biscuits and breads are made by baking method. And next is your frying method that we have discussed. That is, in this method hot oil is used. So the ingredients are put in the hot oil, and we can prepare pakoras, jalebis, puri by this method of cooking. But this method of cooking is not a very healthy method of cooking. So it is advisable to avoid fried food. Fried food is not good for our health. And last method of cooking that we have discussed is your direct heating. So in indirect heating, we only use the heat of the fire, but in direct heating, we directly put the thing in the fire. So this is the oldest method of cooking. Direct heating is the oldest method of cooking. So very important to note that it is the oldest method of cooking. And vegetables are often cooked by direct heating on fire. And chapatis are also usually made by direct heating over flame. So this is the oldest method, direct heating. Now today we will discuss about the cooking utensils. So we have discussed different methods of cooking, and you have observed that different types of utensils are used for this method of cooking. And you must have seen so many utensils in the kitchen, and many of these are used during cooking. So at your home you must have seen different types of utensils in your kitchen, and different cooking methods require utensils of different types. So we have discussed that for boiling we use pressure cooker, right? Your mother use pressure cooker for boiling the pulses, rice. And for steaming we use steamers and different deep vessels for steaming. And for frying we use kadhai, in which your pakoras and jalebis are prepared, right? So you must have observed at your home also that your mother use different utensils for different methods of cooking. So different cooking methods require utensils of different types. Now here is one activity. You have to make a list of utensils used for cooking in your house. So आपके हाउस में कौन कौन से utensils हैं जो आप कि मदर यूज करते हैं फूड को करने के लिए. So you have to write only 6 utensils which are used for cooking. So first, most common thing that we have is your pressure cooker, right? Pressure cooker you can easily see in your kitchen. You can see here also pressure cooker is there. Then your kadhai is used for frying and for many other to cook many other things. Next, steamer is there for steamer, and we also have frying pans or metal bowl, and we also have griddle, that is tawa, in our kitchen for cooking chapatis. So griddle हम बोलते हैं तवा को. So tawa, these are the different utensils that you can find in your kitchen for cooking food. So this is today we have finished the chapter, and in next video we will discuss the exercises and question answers of this lesson. So in this lesson we have learned about the food, different methods of cooking food and utensils. Thank you.